Here we come to the elevators at ōLiv here on the U of A campus here in Tucson, Arizona. These are Thyssenkrupp Evolution 200s.
That's the car.
And there's a car leaving the garage. We are down underneath. And these do not have lanterns, so...
They are interior lanterns.
Yes, I know they're interior lanterns.
And the Startup is interesting because of its style.
Yeah, they've got the red doors.
Orange.
Yeah, they are orange, but they're reddish orange.
We'll just go up to one and then see if anybody's waiting.
These almost look like Target elevator doors. They're red. Oh, we got this one.
No chime.
No chime. Chime doesn't work. The voice works.
No R, so let's just wait and see if it goes anywhere.
Here we go. Yep, we are going up. Here we are on one. Capacity is...
No, it just parks here.
Yeah, capacity is down here. Capacity 3,500 pounds. Let's... Nope.
Wait, we're going up. No, it's just one.
Yep,
Let's just wait for people.
Floor 1.
Back up.
Going up. Going up.
Oh, hold on. Yeah.
You gotta scan your badge.
Hold on, I'm loading the elevator.
Basement.
I'm going.
Oh, we're not gonna be able to go anywhere.
It's alright.
Going up.
That's alright.
Need a fob?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry, if you could go ahead and...
You can run that again?
I truly appreciate it, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Going up.
Come on, door close button works.
There we go.
There we go.
Off to the roof we go!
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh yes, we're past the lobby!
Here we go, we're going up.
Lights are on, look!
Oh yeah, you can see the shaft lights.
I don't know how that camera picks it up.
Oh yeah, you can see it moving.
These are just like the Graduate, although these are like the residence ones.
Watch the leveling through the door.
The door's over here. Roof. Alright,
Let's see if we can ring the bell.
No, let's try and go out first.
Let's go out. Let's go out and get a view. No, chime does not work on this side. Anyways, we'll let this car go, and that's gonna be it for going up. Going down will be another video. Here we come to the elevators at the ōLiv apartment complex here on the U of A campus here in Tucson, Arizona. This is these are Thyssenkrupp Evolution 200s with Mad BS, and it's white Mad BS, not blue. The inside is blue though. We get this one. You can see it come in too. Will we get a chime?
Is that floor R?
Going down.
This one talks. Let's go down to it's blue indicator. Let's go down to 1.
It's number 1. Oh, this one you can clearly see the lights.
Yeah, you can actually. See? Look at that. We're stopping.
Floor 13. Going down.
Which floor?
1.
Perfect.
Here we go. We're stopping again. Capacity 3,500 pounds. This is elevator number 5.
Floor 9. Going down.
Go ahead.
Step inside.
Thanks.
Which floor?
For floor.
4th?
First.
First
First.
floor.
Yeah.
What's going on?
That is weird.
Do you have any idea what's happening or no? Oh my god.
Alright. I'm not sure if we're going to stop again, but this elevator is full. Got a wheelchair user in here.
Alright, and...
Here we are on 1.
You only made it!
We'll get our cab view once everybody gets off.
out.
Floor 1.
Alright. Cool. Hey, let's get the cab view.
Let's Here we are. This is
See at the shaft, look.
oh yeah, you can see way up there. I don't want to nudge it, but
Yeah, check that out.
I'm sure it's gonna nudge here. Let's get our cab view. When it does nudge, I'll let it go. But here's up the shaft. Anyways,
Let's get out.
here it goes, and that's it.